So the boy's been doing skateboarding for a few years now, but just recently it's gotten a little bit more serious with lots of trips to skate parks and even asking if they could skate to school. I'm really happy to see them skate around, even taking the dog for a walk as well as skating. But recently there's also been a lot of nagging. Dad, can you come skate with us? Can you skate with us? And after a lot of nagging, I decided to get my own skateboard. So I went online and started looking for a skateboard. The only issue is the boards that I was accustomed to riding were very expensive. And the common double kick skateboard around was just too much for me to spend, considering that I was only a beginner, pretty much starting all over again. After searching the internet for many hours for a skateboard that I wanted, I realized that I couldn't get the skateboard I wanted for a reasonable price. So I decided that I would build my own skateboard and build it as close to the one that I am accustomed to riding. If you are watching, make sure you subscribe and make sure you stay to the end to find out how cheap this board was to put together. Finding a plain skateboard deck online isn't easy. It almost costs just as much as a complete deck. But I did finally find one that I was really happy with and for a reasonable price. I bought this Element plain deck online. It's a 7-ply board and 8.5 inches wide. Perfect for me to start beginning to skate. While I was online, I also got some trucks specific for my board size, wheels, bearings and nuts and bolts to fix it to my board. The 2 trucks are made out of steel with Element branding on them, and 4 Element all-terrain 52mm wheels to fix onto the trucks, as well as 4 unbranded ABAC 5 bearings for the wheels. This Element board didn't come with grip tape, and I'm not a fan of black grip tape, so I went online to try and find some graphic grip tape and came across these transparent grip tape, and I thought, what a great way to customize my board. Okay everybody, this is the moment you've been waiting for, the final finished product. But don't expect some great skateboarding or many tricks from me, okay? Here it is, boys and girls, the final product. This is the final look everybody. How amazing and cool is this board? If you think this is an amazing board, make sure you like the video and leave a comment down below letting us know what you think. For those of you who don't know, this is a Dutch skateboard. We are a fan of the Dutch national team, and since the FIFA 2026 World Cup was just around the corner, I thought it would be perfect to personalize my board as the Dutch national team. I have already had many compliments about this board at the skate park. Some even asking me where I got the skateboard from so they could get one for themselves. And if you think this is a great amazing looking skateboard, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button as well. Now, I did say that I would reveal the cost of putting this board together and where I got all the products from, but I think I'll just leave that to another video, as this video is getting a little bit long in the tooth.